This is only my second garden season and I have learned so much, so if I can do it, anyone can. This year we're expanding and transforming our space to create the garden of my dreams. This is where we started and this is where it's heading. My vision is finally coming to life. There's still more work to be done and I will share all of the details with you, but today I'm focusing on getting my workbench prepped and ready for the spring season. I got this off Amazon last summer and I've gotten so much use out of it. It definitely has some wear and tear from the winter season, but nothing that can't be fixed. I'm excited to decorate it and make it look cute again. I never really pictured myself gardening. I thought it was an old person thing until I started doing it and realized how much fun and therapeutic it is. I'm using this seed storage box that I got last year for some of my garden tools. I did use this for seeds last year, which was a rookie mistake because rain got in there and ruined all of them. It's really just trial and error for me over here. I did get some really cute decor items though to kind of jazz up the space. I got some things from the Target dollar spot. They have a really good spring section right now. Like, is a bird actually going to come to this little house? Probably not, but it was pink, so it was definitely coming home with me. I also got this really cute cement snail. For the more useful things, I'm obsessed with this organic plant food. I swear it does wonders. Also, neem oil keeps any bugs away, and of course, every girl needs a pretty shovel. I'm storing my extra pots down below. I added a hook for my scissors and a hook for my hand broom, which this thing has come in so handy because it tends to get real dirty up in here. And are you even a real gardener if you don't have a cute watering can? Now, if you've made it this far and you're thinking, could this be the thing that cures my depression? But you feel overwhelmed and don't know where to start, get the Kitchen Garden Revival book. This thing has helped me so much. She makes it very easy and simple to understand. Everything is organized and now we're ready to start planting. Come join me and we can learn this thing together.